If you buy deep in the money calls as a stock replacement but size it like a stock, you're doing it wrong and you're taking too much risk. Here's how you do it. So the first thing you do is decide how much exposure you want to that stock. Let's say you want $100,000 of exposure to a certain stock. Then the next thing you do is find the options leverage, which is a simple formula. It's delta times the stock price divided by the option price. So if your delta was 95, the stock price was 100, and the option price is 70, that gets you to a 1.35 leverage ratio. So what that means, if you want $100,000 of stock exposure, then you divide 100,000 by 1.35 to get how much dollar exposure you need to that option, which would be $74,000. So now if you divide $74,000 divided by the option price of 70 divided by 100, which is the contract size, you get 10.5 contracts. So let's say you buy 10 contracts of that option, you will get the equivalent of $100,000 of stock exposure. And that means your dollar P&L between your option and if you had bought $100,000 worth of stock will be the same dollar P&L. But your percent P&L will be different because you use less capital for the option. And this is a really important point because you don't want to end up with more than 100% of your portfolio's exposure unknowingly. All right, leave me your questions in the comments and give me a follow if you want the truth about option trading.